Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix boot loop on an Android phone. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. So, a week ago, my Android phone suddenly started to restart itself. It got frozen, randomly shut down, then booted up showing the startup logo screen, then turned on and loaded the home screen. Till now, my Android phone has been stuck in a boot loop for days. I don't have any clue how to stop the boot loop and save my phone back. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. No need to panic when an Android phone is stuck on a boot loop. To save you out, we'll explain what causes the Android phone boot loop and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. The operating system fails to complete the boot sequence. The solution here is to force your Android phone to turn off then back on. When your Android phone reboots by itself and keeps stuck on a boot loop, it often means the boot up process doesn't fulfill properly. Most of the time, the glitch is temporary and can be easily fixed by a forced restart. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To force restart a phone with a removable battery, just pull out the back cover, take out the battery, wait for a while, put it back and press the power button to boot the phone. Wait a few seconds. The boot loop should stop and the system can now load successfully again without the disturbance of any temporary errors. Cause 2. The battery is almost dead. The solution here is to get your Android phone fully charged. Some might not be aware of this, but a draining battery is likely to cause an Android phone to get into a boot loop all of a sudden. If you find your phone stuck on a boot loop and won't turn on, try charging the battery. Connect your phone to a charger properly. Allow it to charge as long as possible, like 2 hours, then press the power button to boot it up. See if it returns to the home screen without cycling the restarting loop again. Cause 3. Faulty peripheral accessories. The solution here is to remove any card or cable. In some instances, any connected cable or inserted card will interfere with the boot up process. If either a force restart or a charge does nothing and your Android phone still keeps entering the boot loop, check them out. Unplug any cable connected to your phone carefully. Then, remove the SIM card, SD card and so on from the phone carefully. Now, do a forced restart again and see if this method manages to stop boot loop on Android phone. Cause 4. One or more apps are corrupted. The solution here is to delete crashed apps in safe mode. Apps are also playing an important role while booting up an Android phone. If you've recently downloaded apps outside of Google Play Store, there is a potential bug coming with the app installation. To check it out, try deleting the apps in safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold both the power button and volume up button until you see a menu screen like this. Use the volume button to choose the safe mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for your Android phone to boot in safe mode. If you fail, let us know in the comment below and we'll show you the solutions. Now, your Android phone loads only the original settings and core apps that came with your phone without running any downloaded items on your own. Next, find the unsafe apps and delete all of them in the safe mode. After clearing away all of them, press and hold the power button and tap restart to restart the phone back to normal mode. If the app is the cause, your Android phone won't enter into a boot loop again. Cause 5. The installed Android update firmware fails to load. The solution here is to reinstall the Android OS update. Your Android phone may also be stuck in a boot loop because it's running an outdated OS. When this happens, you may find your Android phone runs slow, tends to get stuck, and takes a long time to boot up. Reinstalling the update can fix up the error and get your Android phone out of the boot loop. Go to Settings, scroll down to find and tap System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download the software. Once the update is downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then turn back on. Cause 6. The memory storage is almost full. The solution here is to free up at least 6 GB storage space. Unless you don't take photos or shoot videos, your Android phone storage is easy to get full. Low storage space will also lead to Android phone reboot loop. If you can still access your phone, just delete some photos, remove unused apps, clear browser history and so on to spare more space. If you can't, the only Android phone infinite boot loop fix is to bring the device back to its factory settings. Move to the next step to see how to do that. Cuz 7. There is a malware attack. The solution here is to factory reset Android phone in recovery mode. It's hard for any of us to detect if there is any virus attacking our phone, but when it does happen, it'll lead to severe results. Android phone constant reboot loop is one of them. This malware often has the chance to get into your phone when you browse websites with risks, download unsafe apps, connect to unknown computer, and so on. In this case, the Android phone boot loop fix is to enter recovery mode and reset the device, as this will remove all apps and media from your phone. Be sure you have Android phone backup before you begin. Then, here's how to fix an Android phone stuck in a boot loop by doing a reset. Shut down your Android phone, connect it to a computer using a cable. Then, go into recovery mode and factory reset the phone that's boot looping. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Then, choose yes to trigger the reset process. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button. Then, use volume buttons and power button to select wipe data, factory reset option to trigger the reset process. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe data, factory reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select yes to trigger the reset process. Once done, set up your phone from scratch step by step and you should get out of the boot loop. Cuz 8. Physical damage or liquid exposure. The solution here is to get the phone repaired. A factory reset in recovery mode should help fix most of software problem. If it's not working, it's time to appeal to higher authority. Your phone manufacturer. You can first browse online to chat with customer service through your phone's official site. If there is a close repair store authorized by your phone brand, then you'd better take your phone there to let the experts examine your phone's hardware. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone boot loop, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.